This is a 10 channel continuous earth monitoring system with resistance value display. Here the system starts scanning one after other 10 equipments with an interval of 5 seconds. If the resistance if it is less than 10 ohms, this is a standard as per IS and IEC standards. If it is less than 10 ohms, then it is indicated by green LED, and if it is more than 10 ohms, it is indicated by red LED with an audio signal and registration at the LED array. So this is the system. It has a self check arrangement also. That means after every cycle of 10 scanning, then again it checks its self checking, that is 0 0 will be coming. Then only resistance display, that is if it is a red means it will be more than 10 ohms, that is this, but there will not be any audio signal. Now I will explain about the system. This is an FLP unit, and then with a junction box, and in FLP unit you can see there are this is actually resistance value display, this one is channel display, and this is green is the resistance if it is less than 10 ohms, and red is if it is more than 10 ohms, this LED, then this is array of 10 channels. And in the junction box there are 12 outputs where you can take 10 channels plus 2 for earth lines. This is an interface unit. It goes into a safe area unit, that is in your switchgear room, and to which 230 volts is the input voltage and the output is 12 volts DC. This DC goes into the main console. This will be in a hazardous area and it is a certified instrument. And already I have explained, this will have a junction box for 10 channels and 2 for earth connections. Now we will go for a demonstration of this system. Look at this now. When once you start with 0 0, that is a self check. You can see 10.2 ohms, that is red. Now channel number 1 is 1.3 ohms, okay. 2 is 2.6 ohms. 3 is 3.3, green, okay. 4 5 ohms, okay. 5 1.2 ohms, okay. 6 is more than 10 ohms. You can see this red LED and then registration here 6. Now 8 is 8.8 ohms. 9 1.4 ohms, and then 10 is more than 10 ohms, 10.5, red light and then registration here. Again it goes for self check and then starts with again 1. Now we will see how to attend the faults. Now 0 self check over. Now we will see when it comes to 6, there is a fault here, then we will see how to do now, how to operate the system now. Now this particular channel, 6 channel, it is having 15.8 ohms, that needs to be rectified. When once you see to hold that to rectify that, just hold that number and then attend to repairs. When it is repaired, automatically it has come to 5.1. You can see this green LED, and then when you release this one, it resumes, you see, scanning. Now 8 is okay now. 9. Now 10 is again faulty, it is 10.5 volts. You can see this one red light and then also audio signal. Now I am holding that number, attend to repairs, and then once it is repaired, now it is 1.6 ohms. Now you can see the green light. Now release this one to go for scanning. Now it is 0 0 again, it starts with and then continues to do it. This is a continuous 10 channel continuous monitoring system with resistance value display. Thank you.